In this week's video, I cut down the USS Enterprise, not the spaceship, the boat, to make a spaceship. So you know what that means. Let's start scratching that build. Now that one has become two, I decide to reattach the second part to the first part. There's logic in this somewhere, but for now I hate throwing bits of plastic away, so I'm just going to reuse it. I'm going to go back to basics on this build with using anything that I can find in the recycle bin. And yes, I did wash everything and my hands thoroughly. First plastic bottle stuck down, it's time to find some more. These are pencil sharpeners, would you believe it or not. I'm going to put these because I like the texture that the bodies have, and I'm going to stick them like that. And eagle-eyed viewers will notice that I'm using an awful lot of hot glue on this build, simply because of all the plastic. It was easier to stick stuff together using hot glue and not my super glue. And I think the texture on those pencil sharpeners are going to give it that alien-esque sort of feel. And before somebody jumps on the comments and says, well, you're just sticking plastic to plastic, yes I am, and that is a Kinder Egg being stuck to plastic. Some tubes that your nan uses for her false teeth is added. And I know this is going to sound pretentious, but no, I have no idea how this spaceship is going to look. I'm just going to use the available plastic that I have to make some sort of shape. A mouthwash container is going to get cut down. And a lid from a Pringles container is going to get the same treatment. The Pringles lid gets stuck to the mouthwash container and then stuck to the bottom of the spaceship. The insides of a broken Nerf gun gets added. And before I do any gluing, I'm just going to see where it can go, really. And would you look at that? It's as if I planned this in advance, which I didn't, I assure you. It's just how sometimes plastic goes. It just fits. So the Nerf gun bit goes there, and yeah, looks okay to me. Let's do a little flyby just to see how the ship is looking. Yeah, gonna need wings, I think. Before I do anything else, it would be rude of me not to use the last bit of the Nerf gun, and I'm gonna stick that down at the bottom. I really have no idea where this bit came from, but it looks like an engine. Some plastic cut down spoons are going to be probably heat shields for the engine. Luckily I have two broken water pistols that I'm going to use as the wings. Just figuring out where these are going to go, probably at the back end. At an angle? No, probably just straight on. I made the executive decision and stuck them the wings there. So yeah, just having another look to see what else needs another flyby. It's looking a little better, but it's going to need some more bits and pieces. And this is a drinks carton lid that I'm just going to make into some sort of vent or something. I'm going to use some mesh that you use for, I don't know, windows, doors, that sort of stuff. And also this is the bit from a Nerf gun that I'm going to use. I feel it's greebly time, so I'm just going to add some greeblies. If you notice, I've put a nose cone at the front and made it look like the old style Concorde. So it could be a Concorde spaceship. I don't know, I'm just making words up now. And I'm pretty sure that all my subscribers, or most of my subscribers, know what Concorde was. I bought some kids plastic piping that I'm just going to use for the spaceship to make it look sort of industrious. Is that such a word, industrious? Industrial. There we go. Another flyby with all the bits and pieces added. I added some lights into the piping. That's the wire coming out of it that I'll hook up in shortly. But I just think it's a bit bare there, so I'm going to use some of this black piping, which apparently from Amazon is for aquariums. So it's for a spaceship now. Some quick shots of me adding piping, and while I do that, let's do some shout outs. So in every video I'll leave some shout outs to the people that have left witty, funny comments, some tips in the comments on all new builds or ideas for new builds. So this is just my way of saying thank you. To get your name on the screen, just leave your comment with the code word that I'm going to add shortly, and I'll put your name on the screen in a future video. I've also a members page that if you want to help me out each month, it's €2. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just keep liking and subscribing. So that is the spaceship, and now it's time for the spinny wheel. Another dramatic flyby. Oh, and the code word for this week, Activator. Now it's on the spinny wheel. It's going to get primed black. So yeah, I'll take that outside and get it painted. There she is, or there he is, all primed up, ready for the first run by of blue paint, I guess. All my paints, unless I tell you differently, are from Vallejo. Again, not affiliated. So I'm just going to use this just to do a quick flyover with it, with the airbrush. As you can see, it's not like a solid paint job. I'm trying to leave some of the black through just to give it that sort of rustic look. Off screen, or rather I forgot to film what I was painting, I painted some of the stuff with an orange paint, and then I'm just adding some decals. To tone down the orange and blue, I'll go over with weathering, which I'll do off screen because there's nothing more boring than watching somebody just weather with weathering powders. But this is the electronic bit where I'm just going to I'm going to solder the wires onto the lights. I'm going to call this spaceship, so unoriginal, the Big Blue, which just transports things around the galaxies. So yeah, that's the unoriginal name for this spaceship, the Big Blue. And then once that is done, it's on to the glamour shots. So all that's left for me to say is thanks very much for stopping by. I appreciate all your support, and until next time, keep scratching that build, everybody. Thanks for watching.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough, yeah, I think that we've all had enough, sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong, you got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah,